Welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. There's, again, no crafting today because I got this from the Create Room. I did it. I am crazy. I'm in a midlife crisis. I bought a DreamBox. And it was dropped off and it sat outside for a week until I could find someone that'd be able to unpack it and bring it into the house. Now, I did get mine pre-built, which means all we had to do was screw the hinges together, and that was it. It was ready to go. The wheels were already on it. It was all put together. Obviously, the drawers and shelves and all that I still have to do. Haven't done that yet, but I'll get to that this week, hopefully. And I am going to do a full review once I've got all my stuff in there to see. I've got a lot of stuff, people. A lot of stuff. I don't know how it's going to fit, but everyone says it'll fit. I mean, all the reviews say everything will fit. So we're going to give it a try. Thanks so much for stopping by.